Hello everyone, welcome back to NextGen ICT. You're watching HTML Day 5, and today we're going to make our web pages interactive and visual. So far, you've learned HTML structure and attributes. Now it's time to connect pages together and display images on the screen. In this video, you'll learn how to create links and how to add images using HTML, two of the most important things on any website. Let's get started. Let's begin with links. A link allows users to move from one page to another. This is how the entire web is connected. When you click a menu item, a button, or a piece of text and it takes you somewhere else, that's a link. In HTML, links are created using the anchor tag. Let's look at a simple example. Here's how this works. A is the anchor tag. href stands for hypertext reference. The value inside href is the destination. The text between the tags is what users click. Without the href attribute, the link won't work. Sometimes you want a link to open in a new browser tab. For that, we use another attribute called target. The value _blank tells the browser to open the link in a new tab. This is commonly used for external websites. Now let's talk about images. Images make websites more engaging and easier to understand. HTML allows us to display images using the image tag. Unlike most tags, the img tag does not have a closing tag. Here's a basic image example. Let's break it down. src stands for source. It tells the browser where the image file is. Alt provides alternative text if the image cannot load. The alt text is also important for screen readers and SEO. Always include the alt attribute. It's a good habit and best practice. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes beginners make with links and images. Forgetting quotes around attribute values. Using the wrong image path. Image file not in the same folder. Missing the alt attribute. Spelling mistakes in tag names. If your image doesn't appear, always double-check the file name and path. Now, it's your turn to practice. Try this. Create a link to any website you like. Add an image from your project folder. Open the file in your browser and test everything. Practice is the key to learning HTML properly. So today you learned how to create links using the anchor tag, how to use href and target, how to add images using the img tag, why the alt attribute is important. In the next video, HTML Day 6, we'll learn about HTML lists, including ordered and unordered lists. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for NextGen ICT. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next lesson.